Upgrading your home's entry door may seem like a small change, but for Sugar Land homeowners, it's one of the most impactful improvements you can make. A new entry door delivers instant curb appeal, stronger security, better energy efficiency, and a fresh sense of style, benefits that directly influence your property value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to elevate your home's appearance, installing a new entry door is a practical and profitable investment. Enhance curb appeal instantly. The front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach a home. In a market like Sugar Land, where neighborhoods are known for their charm and well-kept properties, curb appeal plays a major role in both perceived and actual home value. A stylish new entry door immediately modernizes the exterior and creates a welcoming focal point. Homebuyers often form opinions within seconds of arriving at a property. A faded, outdated, or damaged door can signal neglect, while a sleek new door suggests the home is well maintained. Choosing the right color, design, and material can help your home stand out in desirable Sugar Land communities such as Telfair, Greatwood, Riverstone, and New Territory. Boost energy efficiency. Sugar Land's hot summers and humid conditions mean energy efficiency is critical for comfort and cost savings. New entry doors, especially those made from fiberglass or steel, offer significantly better insulation than older wooden doors. Many modern doors include advanced features such as insulated quartz energy-efficient glass inserts, weather stripping systems designed to reduce air leaks. These upgrades help keep cool air inside during the summer and warm air inside on cooler nights. Lower monthly energy bills are a valuable selling point and make your home more appealing to potential buyers looking for long-term savings. Improve security and peace of mind. Every homeowner wants to feel secure, and buyers certainly pay attention to safety features. A sturdy entry door serves as a strong first line of defense. High-quality steel and fiberglass doors resist warping, cracking, and forced entry better than older models. Modern entry doors can also accommodate smart locks, video doorbells, and reinforced frames. Adding these features not only upgrades your door's functionality but also enhances overall home security, an attractive selling point in family-focused Sugar Land neighborhoods. Increase home value with a high ROI project. Entry door replacements are consistently rated as one of the highest return on investment home improvement projects. Compared to major renovations like kitchen remodels or additions, replacing an entry door is affordable and fast to complete, yet delivers a significant boost in value. For Sugar Land homes, where buyers expect move-in-ready properties and modern aesthetics, a simple door upgrade can make a strong impression during showings and appraisals. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to refresh your home before listing it on the market. Customize your style to match Sugar Land architecture. Sugar Land homes feature a mix of architectural styles: traditional brick homes, Mediterranean-inspired designs, modern builds, and classic suburban residences. Fortunately, entry doors come in countless designs, allowing you to select one that complements your home's unique style. Popular options include fiberglass doors with wood grain finishes for a warm, natural look, steel doors for durability and security, craftsman-style doors with clean lines and glass panels, bold, color-rich front doors that add personality and charm. Selecting a door that fits your home's aesthetic helps ensure your upgrade looks intentional and high-end, rather than out of place. Final thoughts: replacing your entry door is one of the smartest investments you can make to increase home value in Sugar Land. From curb appeal enhancements to energy savings and better security, the benefits are both immediate and long-lasting. If you're ready to elevate your home's appearance and appeal to future buyers, a new entry door is the perfect place to start.